In this video, I'm going to give you a painless guide how you can install and set up Pac-Man in Termux manually. We will now replace APT package manager in Termux with Pac-Man manually without using any setup script. But first, let me show you that installing Pac-Man the normal way using APT package manager will not work. apt install Pac-Man. And when we run Pac-Man, we will see so many errors. To fix these errors, we need to follow the instruction provided by Termux wiki. The correct download link is in the video description. Switching package manager. Termux currently has two package manager, APT as default and Pac-Man. To switch to another package manager, you need to change bootstrap based on the specific package manager. We are going to install the Pac-Man bootstrap from here. Click on the link. Copy the bootstrap package link as per your Android architecture. I'm going to copy the R64 version. Now navigate to the Termux core installation directory. You should see the main system folders here. Create a new directory and name it anything. Enter the directory. Use color wcat whatever you want and download the bootstrap file. Then extract it. And for creating symlink, we need to copy the symlink command from the Termux wiki. Copy the whole command. And paste it. Press enter. Now we can remove unnecessary files from here. Now, to move forward, we need to open Termux in Failsafe session or Failsafe mode. Just press and hold on the new session and tap on the Failsafe. Let me explain it to you. Here you can see the new session. You need to press and hold onto it, and here you can see Failsafe mode. Just tap it. Tap or click on it, and there is another way we can do it. Just press and hold on the Termux icon and you can see Failsafe session and tap it. Now we are inside Termux Failsafe mode. We need to navigate to the Termux core directory again and remove the APT based user system directory. Now rename end user to user, and we are done. Just close the Termux and reopen it normally. And now we will see it will start upgrading the second stage of bootstrap file using Pac-Man. Now you will be able to use Pac-Man in it. Just type pacman-syu command, and we can see it is working perfectly. Now, if you don't know how to use pacman, you can just type pacman-h and learn how it works. We can see there are so many arguments. We can use -s to install a package, okay, or sync a package. Pacman-s neofetch. This command will install neofetch package in our Termux using pacman package manager. Now run the command, and this works. Remember, you have replaced the entire package system of Termux. You will need to use pacman commands moving forward. APT install will not work. And that is how to manually install pacman in Termux. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more technical and Termux guides. Till then, happy hacking and happy coding.